So today I want to introduce my next big project, which is a beach house. The location of this property is amazing. It's so close to the ocean, but the house needs a lot of love. Right now it's a duplex, and the idea is to convert this duplex into just one big house to turn this into a vacation home for 3 families. So right now I am in unit 1. We're gonna have the main entrance coming this way. In the back you can see the kitchen. That kitchen is gonna be completely illuminated, and we're gonna use the one from the other unit. You can see over here, this is, I guess, the main area of unit 1, and that wall right there, once we knock that wall down, then everything is going to be open, and it's going to be just one big open floor plan connecting to the second unit. So once we open this up, we're going to have a very big living area right here, and then over here is going to be the dining, and then the kitchen. Over there is the kitchen that we're going to use. So the kitchen that we're going to be using is this one. We are going to be opening this wall right here as well. We're going to try to extend the cabinets over to here so it feels like a bigger kitchen. It's a very narrow space, but we're going to try to maximize as much as we can. Over here, this door we're going to make into a large patio door, and that's how you're going to go outside. So each unit has 3 bedrooms, so we're gonna have a house with 6 bedrooms. They're not big bedrooms, but it's gonna be just what we need for this vacation home. So whatever you see on this side, I guess it's a mirror image from the other unit. So we're gonna have these stairs going up here with the wall, and the idea is to knock that wall down too so we can connect to the other side. Once this wall is open, the upstairs is going to feel a little bit more connected. So here's bedroom number 1. It's a good size bedroom. We're going to be able to fit a queen size bed right here. It's the first hallway bathroom, and it's just dated. It just needs some love. So I can see, beautiful tiles for the shower and the floor, and a full vanity, nice mirror, and all that good stuff. Here is one of the primary bedrooms. It's a great size. We thought first we needed to have just a queen bed, but I think we're going to be able to put a king size bed here. And we have a good closet. It's a lot of space. We can just leave it like that. We have dressers as well. And then here is the bathroom. For the bathroom, we want to illuminate that closet and make that be a part of the shower. And then once we eliminate that closet right there, instead of having this tiny shower here, we can have a more spacious shower coming this way. New vanity, new toilet, all the tiles and everything. And then the third bedroom, this way. This bedroom is the second biggest bedroom. So the first one is a little bit smaller. This one's a little bit more spacious. We're also going to have a queen size bed in here. In the other unit, remember everything's a mirror from here. So in the other unit, we're going to have 2 bedrooms with bunk beds, and then the primary bedroom with a king size bed as well. I'm going to be sharing a lot more of the process of this project. We started demoing in 2 weeks. We already ordered some things. We have siding order, we have windows order because everything's so delayed these days. So hopefully it will be smooth. Renovation, you never know.